A 10 million peso reward is now being offered for any information that will lead to the pastor's arrest. Here's the report.
Ang batas ay batas, ang may kasalanan, mananagot. At yan ang gagawin namin, Pastor Kibuloy. May warat, wala kang kasalanan, sumuko ka. Sumuko ka. Mahirap ba yun?
Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos dared Pastor Apollo Kibuloy to come out. He is facing charges in relation to child abuse and exploitation and human trafficking. To hasten his arrest, Abalos announced a 10 million peso reward for anyone who will provide information regarding Kibuloy's whereabouts. A 1 million peso reward is also offered for each of the other 5 co-accused. Abalos, though, did not reveal the names of those who raised the funds.
Sabihin na natin frustrated. Parang tinatapakan ang sistema ng pamahalaan. Parang niyuyurakan eh. Mag-serve ka ng warrant para ikaw pa masama. Hindi ba?
Abalos called on Kibuloy to appear in the court if he is really innocent.
Kung talagang wala po kayong kasalanan, Pastor, meron tayong tinatawag na korte, no? Na sumurrender na lang po tayo para matapos na po ito. Harapin po natin ang akusasyon kamukha ng ginagawa ng ibang ordinaryong tao. Dapat ganun ang mangyari.
But Kibuloy's lawyer, attorney Ferdinand Topacio, is not convinced. Topacio accused the government of placing his client under a political persecution.
It only shows that there is political persecution. He's being singled out. So why would you surrender to a government that is persecutory?
Topacio also called on Abalos to reveal those behind the reward money and clarify why private funds were used. Meanwhile, the PNP is studying the possibility of filing charges against former President Duterte. He could face obstruction of justice for refusing to reveal Kibuloy's whereabouts.
Any statement na nasasabi kung asan yung tao, talagang pinag-aaralan po namin kung talagang papasok po dun sa PD 1829. And we're just waiting for witnesses po na ito po yung sinabi niya para mag-file po ang PNP kung talagang nagwawakan po dito sa PD 1829.
Ako hindi po ako abogado, pero ang political persecution...
Are you a lawyer?
No, hindi po ako abogado, pero ang political persecution usually alam ko nakatali yan sa you're persecuting somebody, putting somebody in jail, detaining somebody, preventing somebody from speaking political beliefs opposite from the ruling power. Yung alam ko po, pero yung somebody who is charged with human trafficking or child abuse or things of the like, paano mo ika-qualify yan ng political persecution?
Judicial.
You're not being put in jail. You're being asked to answer accusations. Diba? Hindi naman yung kinukulong ka dahil iba paniniwala mo sa politika eh. Kung yan directly ang nangyayari, that's persecution.
Oh.
Yes. Pero
this judicial system is skewed.
But you are being asked to answer in front of the judge, guilty ka ba or not guilty for human trafficking ba and child abuse? O yun. Simple lang naman yan eh.
10 million.
I don't know 10 million, malaki yan.
Question nila because nasabi ni DILG Secretary Abalos dun sa press con na ginawa nila yesterday na may mga nagdo-donate na private individuals nga para dito sa reward. Normally, yung reward daw that would come from PNP from the intelligence funds na memo, etc. But this time around, galing nga daw sa mga private individuals. Ang dare ang challenge ni Atty. Topacio, ang lawyer ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, ay sabihin daw kung sino daw itong mga nagbibigay ng reward money na ito para malaman ng tao. I think, for me, ako hindi naman ako lawyer. That's beside the point eh. Pero syempre, as a lawyer, syempre, gagawin mong lahat para i-depensahan yung kliyente mo.
Kunyari, politiko ako, pero I donate anonymously my own money, not from the government funds, to add lang, to help speed up this resolution. Anong pakialam mo?
Oo. At the end of the day, may plano ka bang sumuko? Nasaan ka?
But we have to respect also because Attorney Topacio is doing his job.
Yeah, yun nga.
In providing all legal remedies for the missing pastor who is not supposed to be missing, but I don't know where he is according to the lawyer.
Oo, diba? Yun ang importante at the end of the day, may plano ka bang sumuko? Nasaan ka? Wala. May plano ka bang harapin itong mga accusations sa'yo?
At least one down, si Teves na napabalik na.